Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing to you when to enter into a stock as it broke its resistance level. So what is a great position to enter a certain stock at after the breakthrough at the resistance level. So in this video I am going to be showing to you exactly that. So watch till the end and let's get started. As you can see that this is a normal uptrend. So as you can see that this is an uptrend moving this is a trend moving in the upward direction. So at this case, as you can see that it was a strong bullish breakthrough. As you can see that at the resistance level a strong bullish candlestick appeared. It not only crossed but jumped over the resistance level and continued its upward momentum. So where is the great position to enter at this level in this what is a great entry point to enter at this stock, so that you can join the trend and move along with it. So the great position here is this one. This one can also be, but these are the great position because you can see that as I've explained it in my earlier videos, that when a stock breaks a certain point, a certain trend or a certain or a resistance level, it comes back down, confirms its position at this level, and then move in the upward direction. So that confirmation is a great entry point. But in this case, as that didn't happen, so these points are a great position to enter. Now how much would you make by entering at this position? Let's see. 10.19%. This would be your profit if you enter at this position and sell at this one. So these this side trend, this is due to the external news, the political news of our country. So this is normal. Beside that, this is a great entry point you can see right now over here. Now let's take a look at it. Some Now you can see that again at this level, this is a resistance level. Now these candle bodies are acting are trading below the resistance level. So at this place a strong bullish candlestick broke this resistance level and moved in the upward direction. So just as the same as that happened, but in this case it crossed the resistance level, not jumped over. Now in this now as you can see that a strong bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick appear. Now you can see that this bearish candlestick, this might be small, but it confirmed its position that this is an uptrend. You can see that major price rejection happened. This empty wick, this shows that major price rejection happened. The price was rejected at this level. So after which so which means that the bulls were stronger at this level and they succeeded in pushing the market upward, and it pushed upward, generally making it an uptrend. So this is a great position to enter. Now let's see how much would you make out of this one. 21.9. You can also use this tool as well. This is a risk to reward ratio. You can control your risk to reward by using this tool instead of manually calculating your risk to reward. Now let's take a look at it in the yes, now right here. As you can see that again another breakthrough, but this time it crossed over the resistance level, and you can see that it confirmed its position at this level. You can see that the small candle body price was rejected below the resistance price was rejected. You can see that at the resistance level the price was rejected, and so after which the trend became an uptrend. So this is a great entry point. You can enter at this level. You take a clear look at it. After it moved to an uptrend, the trend changed to an uptrend and is now trading in the upward direction. So this was also a great position to enter. This is a lot of profit. you can see that this was a lot of profit besides any trend. Now let's find another one. I guess right here. Let's use this one. This is another breakthrough. You can see that it didn't confirm its position, but it continued in the upward direction. So this is a great entry point. This or this, these two, one of these two candlesticks is a great entry point, because you can see that after which it moved upward, but this uptrend didn't last that long and it became a downtrend. So this is also a great entry point. Now again you can see at this level, as it broke the trend line, you can see that the trend came back down, confirmed its position, and after which it moved upward. Now this confirmation is a great entry point, because it confirmed its position and it allows you, it gives you an option to enter at this level and move along the trend. So this is a great entry point. Confirmations are great opportunities to enter, because at that level you can enter the trade and move along the trend and make a tremendous profit out of the trend. So these are great position to enter. You should keep in mind that these confirmation levels are great entry points, because they try to confirm their position, but you can enter at that point and make huge profit out of the out of that trade. So that's it for both of the cases, when it confirms its position and when it does not confirm its position. So when it confirms its position and the trend continues to do not confirm its position, you can enter at any 2 or 3 candlesticks. But if it confirms its position, that confirmation is a great point to enter, because it provides you an opportunity to enter. That confirmation gives you an opportunity to enter the trade and move along the trend. So you can see that these one of these 2 3 candlesticks is your entry point. You can enter at any level if it does not confirm its position. So this is a great entry point. You can enter at any level in this situation. So and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.